Hello, my name's Arlene Mejorado. I'm an artist from Los Angeles, specifically the San Fernando Valley. My practice is lens-based predominantly. I work a lot with photography, digital and analog. Some of my work is currently in Tierra, Entre, Medio, which is at the Culver Center of the Arts in Riverside. And thanks to Cristina Fernandez, my work is also being shared in a space next to her wonderful exhibit, Multiple Exposures. And with my work, I really try to think a lot about the archive and looking at personal archives. And the photograph that I wanted to focus on or talk about is a girl holding a photograph of my mother. In this photograph, I staged a scene in which uh, two of my nieces were able to hold different archives, photographs that belong to the family, hold them in their hands, kind of be playful with them, handle them. And there's actually a curtain that we installed outside, and it's the backdrop for the photo. And so we thought about the relationship between curtains and performance, and also the idea of handling a photograph with care. And the questions that I had when making the work were, how is it that families handle photographs, handle archives with care, yet can be counterintuitive to what we understand as preservation? And so I thought about activation in work and preservation in work. And so how do these things work together, and how do they butt heads at times when it comes to families handling their own archives and taking care of their archives and expressing care and giving attention to their archives. But what does it mean, or how can they possibly weather at the same time? So that was kind of what I was thinking about with that piece.